One of my biggest dreams started on a court just like this.
Leaves it for LA for the win. Oh! Tenorio with a stop for the Angels.
The biggest lesson that I've learned for the past, actually more than half of my life, playing basketball or playing any sport, I think yung natutunan ko is really to have that mentality of hard work, discipline, and dedication. Ang pinaka-importante rin is, the time also for myself. The time na kailangan ko rin mag-relax and mag-unwind. Magkaroon ng different ambience, different scenery. Yun ang pinaka-importante rin talaga. We basically play 13 months in 1 year. Sobra-sobra, di ba? And again, to be more excited and to be more eager again to do all the things na kailangan namin gawin because we know our time talaga is very limited sa mga vacation namin.
I also like being in a peaceful environment, a place to slow down and clear my mind. Those moments help me reset and appreciate the journey.
Nag-iibangan nyo ako once I step on the court because, again, there's a lot of pressure, there's a lot of things that we need to think about. So imagine how stressful, di ba, mentally and of course physically yung demand na binibigay sa amin and emotions also in the game. Di ba, napakataas din ng emotions during the games kasi syempre gusto mo manalo.
I step away when I need to, and when I'm ready, I come back again.
Yes. See, I know you like my swagger. You know I'm strapped when I come through.